Hello children, today we are going to study chapter 2, that is Roman numerals. Let us know what are they and from where did it come. Roman numbers are nothing but the symbols which were used and developed by people of Rome. Roman numbers were introduced by people of Rome. There are 7 basic symbols. Those are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. And even they had certain basic rules to be followed while writing the numbers. That is point number 3. Basic rules to be followed. A. I and X can be repeated for 3 times. It is repeated only for 3 times, not more than 8. B. Roman numeral of smaller value written on right side of greater value is added. C. Roman numeral of smaller value written on left of greater value is subtracted from greater value. The next one is V, L and D are never subtracted. While writing numbers, we don't use for subtraction purpose. X can be subtracted from L and C only once while writing number. See, these are the Indian numbers as well as these are in Roman numbers. In Indian number system, for 10 we write 10, whereas in the Roman numbers we write single X. For 20 we write double X. For 30 3 times X. For 40 it becomes XL. That is, we are subtracting X from 50. 50 minus 10, it becomes 40. The next is 50. 50 means L. 60 means it is presented by LX. 70 means it is presented by LXX. 70 we are going to write L and double X. For 80 we are going to write L and triple X. For 90 we are going to write XC. That is, we are going to subtract out of 100 10. It becomes 90. For 100 it is C. Write the Roman numerals 1 to 100. I have written, so you need to write the same in your classwork notebook. For 1 it is I, 2 double I, 3 triple I, whereas for 4 it is IV. We are going to subtract V by I. V means 5, 6 VI, 7 V double I, 8 V triple I's and 9. Again, out of 10 we are subtracting 1. It becomes 9. X means 10. So like that I have completed till 100. Note down it. So let us begin with the activity 1 that you people have to write down in your notebook. First exercise, write the Roman numerals for. See, these questions are given in Indian system, that is Hindu Arabic system. We need to write in symbol. For 25, how do we write? 10 plus 10, 20 and then V. It becomes 25. Then for B, here we write X, X, X and X 3 times. Then comes 42. What is the symbol for 40? XL. And then double 42. Then comes 52. For L it is 50. And then 2I. It becomes 52. Then E. 65 in Hindu Arabic, you need to write in Roman numbers. So for this one, L means 50. If we write X, it becomes 60. And then 5 means V. Then 79. So again L double X means 70. IX for 90. Then for 84, L triple X IV. Then for 91, XCI. For 94, we are going to use XCIV. Question number 2. Write the Hindu-Arabic numbers for. The questions are given in Roman numbers. You need to write down in Hindu-Arabic. Those are numbers. IX means it is 9. XX, triple I. It means 10 and 10, 20 and 3I. It will be 23. Triple X means 10 is repeated for 3 times. 1x, 2x, 3x. 3x means it is 30. IV means 4, 34. D. XLI. XLI means 40. XL means 40. I means 1, 41. The next one is LXXIV. L means 50, 60 and then 74. 74. Whereas F, once again it is 50, 60, 70. 70 and this is 7. So 77. LXXX is nothing but 80. That is 50, 60, 70 and 80. Then comes H. XCVII. XC means again 90s. VII means 7. 97. The next one is XCV. XC means again it is 90. V means 595. Now it is completed with exercise 2. Go for exercise 3. Write greater than, lesser than or equal. The first question is given in Hindu-Arabic and the second one is in Roman. So we are going to convert Roman numbers into Hindu-Arabic. 98 will remain same. Dash. XC means 90. VII it will be 97. So compare it now. Which is the greater one? 98. So symbol. Then next B. 34. It is in Hindu-Arabic. Then once again in the Roman. How many times X is repeated? 3. 1, 2, 3. And IV means it is 4. Write 34 as it is. Dash. Again the same it is 34. So which symbol? Equal. The next C. Here earlier it is given in Roman number and the second one is in Hindu-Arabic. So we are going to convert this one. L means 50. X means 10. 50 and 10, 60. 1, 2 and 3. This is 63 dash 73. So which is the bigger one? 73. So we write down like this. Then comes next LXXX. L means 50, 60, 70 and then 80 dash 82. Which is the bigger one? 82. So write down greater symbol for this. E. XC is 90 and 8. It is 98 dash. Again XC is 90 and then IX means 99. Which is the greater one? 99. So give the symbol F. LX means 60 dash. XL means it is 40. Which is greater? 60. Exercise 4. Write the answer in Roman numbers. So for this question, A is given in in Roman numbers. We are going to convert into Hindu-Arabic for our convenience. X and X means it is 20 and then 3. 23 plus V means 5. It is 28. So what will be in Roman number this answer? It is x, x20, v triple I 28. Then B. Once again in Roman numbers. X means it is 30 and then ix means 9. 39 plus v triple I means 8. Now you add it. How much will it be? 47. So how we'll write in Roman number? X L V double I. Then similarly for the C1, XC means 90 plus XL means 40. Altogether it will be 130. How will you write this? For 100 we are going to write C. For 30 we are going to write triple X. Then next D1. V plus X double I. V means 5 plus X means 10, 11 and 12. 5 plus 12 is equals to 17. How will you write in Roman number? X V double I. Then E. In E, C plus X. C means 100 plus 10. It will be 110. So how are you going to write down the answer? C and X, 110. F. What is the question? LV plus V is equals to how much? L means 50. V means 5. 50. 5 plus 5. If you add, it becomes 60. How will you write in Roman number? L and X. With this, we have completed our chapter 2. There are some instructions for children. See children, in chapter 1, lots of space is given to write down the answers. So we are going to write it in the textbook itself. Chapter 1 to be done in textbook with pencil, not in notebook. Chapter 2 to be done in the maths notebook only. We don't have space in the textbook sufficient for calculation purpose. Then onwards, chapter 3 and as going on, we are going to write in the notebook itself.